Welcome back to the set, everybody. My name is CJ. Right over there is Nate.
Hey.
Right over there is Ethan.
Hello. Hello.
And right over there is the best moment of 2025.
Wow.
Hey, everybody.
There he is.
Speaking of the best moments, today I've got a bit of a different one for you. I'm gonna show you some of the highlights, some of the best moments, maybe even some of the low moments. But in the meantime, grab a cup to sip on, because every time the bell rings, Andy gets his wings.
So come on, everyone, it's today's first show.
There's just something about roasted chicken, and it's like
wholesome.
it is. It feels
nostalgic.
good, and it feels like family.
Like a grandma's hug. Mom's hugs are great. Grandma hug?
They're just different.
Yeah.
They're squishier because their skin's all loose.
It's fine. It's fine.
It looks like a tongue.
I'm gonna season with a little salt and pepper.
Nice.
Hey Andy, would you get me a dome, sir?
You got a dome assistant?
Yeah, dude, you don't have a dome assistant?
Hey.
I went to online university.
He went to you.
Oh yeah, I like
There
that.
can be only one.
See, that's why we are good friends.
Why?
Because I'm a flats man.
Yeah.
So you can have all. Dang it. And there we go.
There's nothing wrong with flats.
Oh. And there we go. We're gonna dome this. We're not adding any water because we don't want to necessarily steam them. I just want to retain some of that heat. That way it cooks quicker. Love it.
Your mamma jammer?
My mamma jamma.
You do a little more stock?
Of course I am.
Oh. No, you go to.
No, you go ahead.
No, you go ahead.
I just burnt my hand.
Go ahead.
I insist. So we've got this nice crust that's developed on here.
Chicken wings on your grill. You've been missing out.
Oh, come here, sweetie. Come on, give Gramps a hug. Well, have you ever said the word fritter before?
No, this is my first time. Fritter. Did I say it right?
You did, but it's gross, right?
Yeah, fritter.
It's the F word.
It is not moist is a gross word.
You're not wrong. a moist is even worse. All right, so let's talk about this. So today we're going to be doing a cheesesteak of all things. Actually, the first time I had a was with you, and you made a buffalo chicken thing.
You're welcome.
Yeah. So actually, I'm going to have you do this here. That's how much we're going to do.
Are those colors an homage?
Oh,
Mexican flag.
why? Because Karina's a Mexican?
Yeah.
Yep.
Whoa. What are you doing? Come on, man, you can't be mixing Mexican and continental.
Yeah. This is going to be one that you're not going to like.
Why?
Because you hate A1.
Oh, I missed A1. I wasn't even paying attention.
See?
I don't hate A1. It's just not good.
Well, how? Why not? I put this on my steaks when they're not too good.
Yeah! Okay. Mix this all together, and honestly, at this point, it's pretty much done. So let's move it off to our cooler side, and let's talk about the F word.
Whoa. Whoa.
Frittles.
Frittles!
Frittles.
Frittles, or whatever. It's not
Friddle.
a cake. It's not a pancake.
It's a friddle.
It's a friddle. And it's gotta be the right consistency.
Did you just look one hand egg crack?
You know?
Oh.
Wow.
I didn't even notice.
I noticed.
Dude, Joel, he saw that. He
What
straight
a
up gave me the.
pro.
Oh. And he's on fire. Look at that. We'll do it one more time. Oh, crap. Get off my case, guy. And you know what?
Karina, how do you say I'm doubtful this will work in Spanish?
Ooh, good question.
No creo que esto va a servir.
Okay, that.
Ew.
Wait, I actually did.
Spansas, bro.
Spansas.
That's the word of the day.
Spansas.
Spansas.
I might
Form them
retract
a
my
little bit.
earlier statement. Those are looking. They're holding.
So
up.
what you're saying is you were wrong? Did
No.
I hear that, folks?
I said
Yeah.
Did I hear that?
retracted.
Yeah,
How do you say
heard
wrong
that
in
I
right.
didn't
Spanish?
say.
Incorrecto.
Incorrecto.
See.
Ay, caramba.
Ah.
Chef's kiss. This is so good.
Dang, it feels good to be a gangster.
I'm being a little
Cheers.
kid.
Never made it as a wise man.
Sorry, I'm leaving.
I was like, I don't know any Nickelback songs. Oh, it came out of my spirit.
Nickelback is better than Lippy's recipes.
Oh, this is how you remind me of what I really am. I got a prescription.
Only.
Or
No cowbell.
cowbell, or in this case, or frittles. Mm. Ooh, nice. What's going on, Griddle Nation? We are standing in front of Pig Beach in Queens, New York for the Jeff Missioner Foundation fundraiser. It's so much fun to see the community all get together, come together to rally around one special occasion to serve this one amazing family that has left such a big mark on this community. Let's go inside and get some food.
How do you eat this?
I don't have a clue. How do you eat that? I don't eat that.
There it is.
What are you doing?
Dance off, bro.
Dude, it was a blast. So much fun, so much inspiration, so much good food. Like
Yeah, I
crazy
wish I was
amounts of
there.
good food. Yeah, you should be.
I wish I was there. Incubus.
Today's is gonna be better than that. Now to get things started, we've gotta get some bacon going. Why? Because I'm not using 45 or 40-day dry-aged beef
Dang, I wish I'd
to
have
make
been there.
my pub burgers. I'm using 80/20 from Walmart. Do you think I should, like, it's a firmer pack, right?
What?
When making like a thicker beef.
Oh, that's what we're
Like
making? I
pub?
don't even know. I wasn't there for the inspiration. Why don't you do whatever you want to do?
Feels almost passive aggressive.
Someone's got their feelings hurt.
Not me. No.
Okay, so you weren't there,
No.
but those were thick burgers. Thanks, guys. Thanks, babes. You know,
I thought to myself,
self, what would make Nate so annoyed?
oh no.
And
Why
myself,
would you think that?
We love you.
You already went to a delicious event without me.
we thought,
No, 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 no.
Are we in? Can I go? Okay. Hey CJ, did you know?
so two things. Number one, hey mom, dad. Hey Randa, my sister. Hey,
Hey, ramen noodles and.
really wish you guys would have kept a couple of those things to yourselves. We're gonna add some more sauce to the top of these. We're gonna crown these bad boys off. And then what we're gonna do is remember,
What?
so what an idiot. If you like pub burgers, this is a tasty burger.
Nice.
Go hard on the sauce. It's so good. Really pairs well with the creaminess of the cheese and those crispy fried onions. CJ, move over and let the hottie do the griddle cook.
Dude, people do like you.
Yeah, they do.
He's cute, but I wouldn't say he's hot. My name is CJ. Right over there's Nate. Right over there's Ethan. And I'm feeling generous and extra today. Right over there's Andy.
Hi. What?
Show me the bend.
Well, actually,
Well, there's no bend
no,
there.
there's some
Oh,
bend.
there.
Show me snap.
We had
Are
our
those from
buddy.
Barksdale?
They're not,
Oh,
because they're not ginormous.
pretty big.
They're it's a
Is he said big?
big
too-
boat.
Too quick.
I wanted to do it myself, so I'm gonna actually.
Maceration.
I'm gonna do a little strawberry maceration.
Okay.
I'm a strawberry macerator.
Don't do it.
I'm not gonna do it.
Yeah. Why are they laughing?
I guess it's just in the timing.
Now,
Whoa.
Jiminy, Christmas.
Hold on.
Oh, look at this giant softbox.
You mean a big sheet? Is that
Crusties.
There it is.
What you doing?
Race cars don't need headlights because the track is always lit.
You know, if I was awesome, I would have brought butter out, but I forgot.
Oh no.
So we're not gonna do that.
Dude.
I refuse. Oh, I'm gonna make the walk of shame. I'll bring it.
Here he goes.
I don't like you now.
Oh, that's kind of my only thing.
This is working.
Could have used a little more water, guys. Loosen it up if you're gonna be using a dispenser like this.
It'll be thick and fluffy.
Could make a little street taco, right?
That floppy bacon.
Mm.
Yeah? Is that the
Yeah.
the amaretto?
The amaretto, the sugar. Now, for these 3 delicious smash burgers, we're gonna have unique sauces that will not affect
I like this.
the bun integrity, but it'll just,
People
we just
are
won't
like,
be eating the same
don't
thing.
sleep on sauce game.
Could I, oh my god.
Such an idiot.
Oh my gosh! Alright, that was a little over the top for that one. It's really not that big a deal. But we are...
Oh wait, that wasn't a walk of shame. I'm just an idiot.
This is actually a fun way to show. You don't need a ton of ingredients. You can use, like, variation.
Look at this.
You alright back there?
I think so.
Okay.
You're getting bored over there? Gross. Leave it down in the comments. What do you guys think the ratio should be? I don't know. Ethan, what do you think? Should the bun... Should we do more meat?
I like a decent amount of bun. Not I.
Don't do that because onions are bad for dogs and Ethan. As a callback, folks, that you didn't even know about.
Okay.
Thank you.
Which is where we went to. We did like a family vacation there. That's where I got a shirt.
I know
I
that.
did know that.
Really?
I did know that, as a matter of fact.
How?
Because I'm a Dumb and Dumber enthusiast.
When did you find out?
I don't know.
Why didn't you tell me?
I don't know. CJ's Famous Pickles.
Okay.
Pickles from the jar.
What makes something famous?
Ask me again.
Fame. How?
Just
how?
you say.
Yeah, just put the word in front of other things, then that's it. Seed separation.
Okay.
Oh, let's turn that.
Keep them separate.
Oh,
Nice.
yeah, dude, nice call. I'm kind of afraid to admit it.
What?
I'm gonna pick the everything bagel one.
Really?
The seasoning on that bun is freaking remarkable.
It's good looking.
Plus, it's steamed. Like the Martin's was gonna be my winner. It's just so soft and delicious. These were also soft and delicious and had amazing seasoning.
I don't
remember doing a Mike Tyson.
Do it right now.
I just can't do a Mike Tyson impression on the fly like that.
I don't know anything about that. I don't know nothing about numbers. I just know what I can do.
How dare you blur that beautiful man's face? You blurred my face?
I don't know. It's probably Andy.
Oh, the beautiful
it was.
one.
That's right. What did I tell you? Best of the best for 2025. I hope you guys had fun watching that. We had fun filming it and creating it and cooking it and eating it and being a part of all of it. You guys are the ones that make all this possible, so we appreciate you so very much. 2025 was good. What's in store for 2026? Maybe this guy will get a name.
Who?
Newsflash. He doesn't.
You already said it in this episode.
He did.
He's an idiot.
He is. I'm taking applications for his spot. Doesn't take much.
I can't find
Just have to have a heartbeat and not be a complete idiot.
Alright.
Maybe you could be a little bit of an idiot.
hurtful now. It's just deliberate.
That's really,
Hey guys, I feel really left out.
Should we hug it out?
I don't think so.
Oh, I don't think so either.
I don't think so.
No hugs.
I don't want anything to do with you anymore.
I hate you.